Alright, hello. I was midway through doing this question in the previous video and then realized there's a much better way of teaching it, so I'm restarting. But anyways, you're given this equation of a circle up here and you're asked to find its center and its radius, right? So, how do we approach this? Well, look at the orange bits and look at the green bits and look at the blue bit. Now you might not have a highlighter in your exam, but you can underline or anything. I actually draw shapes personally because I never bring highlighters in. And that just works for me because the shapes are different. But anyways, I'm going off topic here. So we're trying to find out for what value of h does x plus 3 equal x minus h, right? This is very basic algebra. The x's cancel out if you subtract from both sides. 3 equals negative h, and divide both sides by negative 1. Negative 3 equals h. Okay, so we know on our point here, it's going to be negative 3 as our x value. Now, for our y value, y minus k equals y minus 4. That's a bad drawing. 4. The y's cancel out. If k equals negative 4, both sides multiplied by negative 1, k equals 4, and we fill that in here. So our center point there is negative 3 and 4. And how do we find our radius? Well, we look at the blue. R squared equals 49. R equals plus minus root 49 equals plus minus 7. And if you think about it logically, can you have a negative radius? No, you can't, because let's say you've got your radius is here, and then you shrink it, it goes there, and then there, and there, and it gets smaller and smaller, and then it gets to 0. And if you try to go negative, you'd think, oh, let's go the other way, but a radius can be rotated in any direction, right? So it just doesn't work at all. So this just equals 7. What? R equals 7. So if we're trying to graph this now, let's draw a number plane here. I'm not going to fill in all the numbers, but we know negative 3 and 4 would lie somewhere around here, right? And 7, we know this extreme point over here would be negative 3 plus 7, which is 4 on the x value. And then this extreme point up here would be 4 plus 7 equals 11 on the y value. This extreme point here, negative 3 minus 7 equals 10. And this point down here is 4 minus 7 is negative 3. And then we draw a circle, which will definitely not satisfy all of these points. Okay, that's how bad it was. It autocorrected to a hexagon. That's embarrassing. Go a little slower. There we go, draw a circle. And we know that this value here will be 7. This R value will be 7 no matter where we rotate it. So that's how you utilize the general formula and your understanding of it to actually figure out the center and radius and graph it on a plane. And yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching.